In this video, I will share with you the best premium source code for building a real estate investment system website. You can easily create a real estate investment system website using this source code. Now I will introduce you some important features of this premium source code. We are getting excellent homepage design. We can display various property listings on the home page to attract users' attention. Also, we are getting most powerful admin panel to manage this website. We can manage all the features and functionalities of the website through this admin panel because we are getting all kinds of feature sections to manage the website in this admin panel. Also, any user can log in and register very easily on our website. Now I will log into the website as a user. Now we can see the dashboard of a user account. Here we can see our different transaction amount types. Also, we can invest in various properties of our choice. Then we can see our investment lists. We can see the list of how much we have profit by investing. Then we can easily request for deposits on this website. For this, we can use many international payment methods here. We can connect these payment methods very easily through the admin panel. Also, we will be able to request our share of profit for withdrawal very easily. Also, we can see all types of transaction history step by step in our account. Yes, we can earn extra money by sharing referrals. And we can contact the website admin directly through the support ticket section for any of our problems. A user is getting all kinds of features and functionality sections in the account dashboard to manage his account. So let us now learn how to create a real estate investment website. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create real estate investment system website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this, we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this, we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish real estate investment system website online. You can purchase high quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.1 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we will go to our source code folder. Now we will convert this folder into zip file. Then we will upload this zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we need to add permissions to some folders. So now we will learn step by step how to add permissions to these folders. Now we have to submit the database information here. So now we will learn how to create database in hosting panel. Then we will learn how to connect hosting panel database information to website. Now we have to submit the admin login information here. Then we have to click on Install Now button. Now we have to submit the purchase verification information here. Then we have to click on Activate Now button. Wow, we have successfully installed the source code. Now our real estate investment system website is completely ready. Now we can easily customize this website step by step by logging into the admin panel. Because we are getting all kinds of features and functionalities step by step to customize the website in this admin panel, you must study the features section of this admin panel. Or if you have any problem customizing admin panel, then definitely contact us, because we will help you how to customize these admin panels step by step. In this admin panel, you get all kinds of features to manage real estate investment website. You can add multiple properties. That's why you have to submit the properties information here step by step. Also, you can see the list of all investors, and you can easily manage investors using these features. Also, you get nice features section to manage website users. You can also add many international payment methods to the website. Using these payment methods, users can easily make investments or deposits on our website. So you get many important functionalities and features in the admin panel. In this video, we learn how to create a professional real estate investment website. If you have any query about this video, then comment or contact us directly via email and WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching this video in full. If you want to see our next videos, please subscribe the channel.